How to fix Prizepicks Location. So here's what we want to do. Get your phone and go to your settings here. Now from the settings, we will use the search bar to search for location services, just like that. And we will click on the option location services. Now it's going to show you a list of all of your applications. Now make sure that location services is turned on. So just like that, make sure it's toggled on, and find your app that you want to do this for. So for Prizepicks, I will just do this for the Chase app, but you can obviously choose Prizepicks from this list. And make sure it's set like this. Allow location access while using the app. Make sure this is toggled on, and also make sure precise location is toggled on. This allows these apps to use their specific location. With the settings off, apps can only determine your approximate location. So make sure precise location is turned on, and while using the app is selected. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.